I wanted to share this junk journal flip through of this blank journal. It is made entirely from junk and scraps. I did not purchase anything especially for this. It has a nice crinkly sound if you like that sort of thing. It also has a Coptic stitch spine. It's not the best job in the world, but that's okay. I didn't really care for this one. I kind of wanted it to be sort of junky and rough. These are just things I had been saving from magazines and catalogs and all sorts of clippings. I doodled some with a Sharpie. I've got some fabric paint and burlap and just little scraps and bits. And inside is not the best stitching again, and I used just different bits of scraps that I already had from other projects or from magazines. This was a half-hearted attempt at doing some coffee staining, but that was okay because, you know, I stitched on a few pockets, and I will likely add more as I fill up this journal. So again, just pages from books and magazines, and just bits of loose paper that I had floating around, and interesting scraps of fabric that I liked. More coffee staining, and some pages that I had actually cut out or tore out for another book, but I did not end up using. I just kind of like the different sizes and textures of paper. And a lot of the magazine pages are from Selvage magazine, and again, some smaller pages. And another pocket. That's about it for this. Again, this is what I would consider a blank journal. I have a lot to add, but I just wanted to get it recorded before I filled it up. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.